You people need to stop acting shocked when strong whitening products are trending. Because the truth is, everybody wants to glow. That's the honest truth. Nobody is praying for a dusty complexion with zero radiance. Nobody has ever asked me for that. And today we are talking about this Everglow whitening set. This set has been getting a lot of attention lately. And if I'm going to be honest, after using the lotion and oil myself, I understand the hype totally. These products are not joking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi if you are new here, and on this channel I review skincare products. I talk about glowing ingredients. I talk about skincare routine for both natural skin and every type of skin. We talk about beauty lifestyle and everything in between. So if you are genuinely enjoying honest skincare conversation without all the fake hyping and unrealistic promises, then you are in the right place. Let's get into it. So today we're talking about the Forever Glow set. So it has a lotion and also has an oil and it has mulatto soap. So let's get into it. This is one of those sets people usually run to when they have an event that is coming up, or my skin looks tired, I need to get compliments on my skin immediately. I want a glow that is going to blind my enemy. And if I'm being honest, I can understand after using this product, because this set is giving soft glow, lighter skin, smooth finish, like that rich anti-energy. You guys can see my skin has changed in the last couple of weeks. Now, before anyone starts screaming in the comment like, oh, blah, 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 believe me when I say it, this is a strong lightning set. But what surprises me personally is that it did not give me that dry, irritated, overprocessed that some, other whitening products are given. You know that kind of whitening where your skin starts looking confused, thirsty, and emotional damage. You will not get that. This did not give me any of that. So let's break it down so that you guys can enjoy and understand this product properly. First, let's start with the lotion. This is the Crystal Blooming Clarifying Whitening Milk. This lotion is the main character of the set. The texture is rich, but still spread beautifully on your skin, and it absorbs nicely without leaving any sticky, uncomfortable feeling. It blends in sweetly. And the active ingredients, this lotion contains ingredients such as alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, vitamin C, and salicylic acid. These are not ingredients that you joke with. Now, let me tell you something interesting in very simple English. Alpha-arbutin is popular for helping with uneven skin tones. If you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, niacinamide will help to support a smoother looking skin and can also help to improve the appearance of discoloration over a period of time. While vitamin C helps with brightness and glow. That's how the glow comes. And salicylic acid will help with rough texture, and it keeps the skin looking smoother and cleaner over a period of time. This lotion is given. This is not just random mix inside the bottle. The ingredients actually make sense for people trying to target dull skin, uneven skin tone, and stubborn discoloration. And that is what you get when you use this lotion. Now let's talk about the oil. This oil is not here to play. And please listen carefully, because some of you misuse oils and then blame the products. This oil is best focused on those tough areas of your skin. I repeat, tough areas. So places like your hand, your feet, knuckles, elbow, inner thighs, armpits. Those areas that like to act stubborn, no matter how good your lotion is. This is where this oil shines the most. Try this, you will thank me later, honestly. The glow from this oil is beautiful. It is non-greasy. It is not heavy, not looking like you fried chicken on your skin. It is so smooth. It gives you that smooth, glossy glow. This one touch oil, this is a whitening oil, and it contains ingredients like alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, vitamin C, salicylic acid, and allantoin. I have talked about the other ingredients when I was talking about the lotion. So the allantoin is important because it helps to soothe and support the skin barrier. So this oil is not only lightening you, it is also taking care of your skin. This explains why this oil still feels so comfortable on the skin, despite being a very strong lightening oil. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying this review, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because it genuinely helps my channel to grow. I need you guys to do that for me. And let me know in the comments, are you a lotion person, or you prefer oil, or you like both just like me, you like to combine everything together for the maximum result and glow. And also a quick interruption. If you love fashion, you like classy ready-to-wear pieces, outfit that makes you look expensive without trying to hide or breaking the bank, please check out my fashion page, Easy Look by FB. I'm going to insert the picture of some of our pieces. We talk skincare here, but we also like to look good on the outside as well. Now back to the review. The next one is the whitening soap. This soap, let me tell you something. People underestimate this soap a lot. Some people are buying expensive lotion and using nonsense soap. Then they are confused why their skin is not shining, why their skin is not skinning. Your cleansing step matters as well when it comes to result. This soap helps to prep your skin properly before applying that beautiful lotion and oil. And when you combine the three together consistently, this is when this set really starts to show off its ability. Now let's talk results. This set will work great for people who have dull looking skin, people who have uneven skin tone, people with stubborn dark areas, rough texture, or people preparing for an event and wanting a brighter, smoother looking skin at a short time. And do you have a wedding? Are you a wedding guest? You have a party coming up, a vacation, or an Owambe? Then go get this set. This set understands the assignment. But let me also say this because I like to be realistic. Consistency matters. Do not use this product for just 3 business days. And then you start threatening the mirror, the lotion. This lotion is not giving me that. I bet don't do that. Give your skin time. Hydrate properly. Exfoliate once or twice in a week. Another thing I noticed is that the glow looks much nicer when your skin is well moisturized. So please get a moisturizer that you can combine with this. Some people chase whitening so aggressively that their skin starts to look dry and flat. This set will not give you that. This set will give you glow and a healthy skin, which is what really matters at the end of the day. One reason I enjoy this set is because the finish still looks so smooth, glossy, instead of dry and flaky and irritation. This lotion did not give me any white patches or any dark areas. I was enjoying using this lotion. And another thing I would say you should do is if you are prone to white patches or you are prone to skin irritation, get Bell Eclat Kenako. I will insert the picture for you, or get the Shenik and use it. Apply it on your skin first. After you have had your shower, after you have used the soap, then apply those skin prevention that I've just mentioned, and then you can apply your lotion. If you want, you can apply the lotion alone and then use the lotion and the oil at night, or you can just mix it together in your palm. That's the way I use it. Put a little bit of the lotion and then I apply the oil. You know, the oil is very hydrating. You can see, you rub it together and then you apply it to areas of your skin where you know that you have toughening, so that everything can work together. So I can apply it on my hands, my feet, my elbows, you know, areas where you know that your skin always looks dry or product don't work quickly. That is where I will put the oil. You can also use the oil alone, but I will dilute it a little bit because that oil is active. The lotion is active. The soap is also active. So one question I always get a lot is, would I recommend this lotion alone or the oil alone? You can use the lotion alone, you can use the oil alone, you can even use the soap alone. But personally, the magic is really in combining the lotion, the oil, and the soap together. That combination eats differently, especially for people trying to target stubborn areas while still maintaining their overall goal. It might work for you and it may not work for you, but the people that this one is working for, they are seeing results. So your skin matters. Consistency also matters. Your overall routine also determines your result. This set is definitely getting the attention for a reason, because it delivers. The reviews are reviewing. The glow is glowing, and the products are not sleeping on duty. They are ready for action. If you enjoyed this review, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell me in the comment section, would you try this set? Why would you like to try it? And which product caught your attention the most? The lotion, the oil, or the soap? Or if you have tried it before, leave a comment. Let's talk about it. If you want to order from me, it's available on our website. We have 2 websites, Nigeria and the UK. You can order from both. Both links will be in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed.